Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Audi Q7 MMI. First, power off the vehicle and press and hold the MMI power button for 10 seconds to force a reboot. If problems persist, perform a soft reset using the settings menu and a hard reset only as a last resort. I will guide you step by step, tell you what to expect, and share safety tips to protect your paired devices and navigation data. Start by turning the ignition to accessory mode and leaving the engine off. Navigate to Setup, then System, and select Soft Reset to reboot the MMI without deleting profiles. Confirm the action and wait about 30 seconds while the screen goes dark and returns to the main menu. This often clears minor issues like frozen screens or temporary audio dropout and avoids removing Bluetooth connections or navigation favorites. If the soft reset did not resolve the issue, perform a hard reset with caution. Backup navigation favorites and note Bluetooth pairings before selecting Factory Reset in the system menu. The MMI will restore default settings and remove stored connections, so you will need to repair phones and reconfigure preferences. Allow the unit a full minute to complete the process and watch for any error messages that might indicate deeper hardware issues requiring dealer service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.